Why care about quality? As I mentioned earlier, quality is extremely important. If your project lacks quality, it has the potential to have a negative impact on your brand, reputation, and can cost your project or your company money. This is called the cost of quality. The cost of quality is a way to compare planned preventive costs, or costs of conformance, with the corrective costs, which are also called costs of non-conformance, associated with fixing anything that didn't meet the customer's satisfaction. Remember my earlier example about having to return, repair, or replace a product? This is the cost of quality. Ultimately, it's the money you are spending either before or after the project completion to ensure that your stakeholders are completely satisfied. Remember, the cost of quality is the total cost of conformance work to meet the stakeholder specifications. This includes warranty work, returns, recalls, and all other things that I mentioned earlier. The goal is to reduce the amount of these costs by producing high quality work that meets high quality standards and doing it right the first time. So what are some of the costs associated with quality? It's not just returns or repairs. The cost includes the money you spend up front to prevent any issues from happening. That may be additional machining, inspections, or anything that you do to reduce the number of problems once the project has been completed. It can include the costs associated with assessing whether or not the stakeholders' needs are being met. Think about inspections or reviews. It includes any costs associated with failures during manufacturing or any internal failures that occur before you deliver your product to the stakeholders. And as we mentioned earlier, any costs associated with any necessary corrective actions that may need to be taken care of post-project. Now let's look at some of the tools you can use to help you with ensuring quality is embedded into your project.